and welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake is vowing to go after gang recruiters who are targeting young boys. He made the declaration while speaking with journalists following the installation ceremony for the new Custos of Clarendon Edith Chin today. Anthony Lugg has the details.
As quickly as gangs lose members due to violence, there appears to be constant recruitment, with school-aged children being lured into criminal activities. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake says the police are on a mission to change that.
You know, those persons who seek to recruit young children into gangs, we have to remove those threat forces, and that is part of our strategy and our effort.
Just yesterday, it was revealed that one of the 4 alleged gang members killed in a gun battle with the police was 17-year-old. His sister told TVJ News she was worried about his associates, some of whom were also killed Tuesday night. While not speaking specifically to that incident, Dr. Blake gave this assurance to the nation.
We have to save the children because they are the future, and it is not a cliche. These are the persons who will be leaders of tomorrow. So we have to protect them. We have to ensure that they get the space to learn and to operate as children. And we are committed to do so.
In addition to students being recruited by gang members, the resurgence of violence in schools have triggered outcry from various stakeholders across the country. On Wednesday, Education Minister Favour Williams detailed the plan to tackle the issue, which appears to be widespread, including in parishes like Clarendon. For Justice Minister Delroy Chuck,
we need to rescue our children from the damaging and negative influences within their homes, their neighborhoods, and other public spaces. Our children require a more wholesome environment to study and grow. And I appeal to our justices of the peace to assist in this process.
They were speaking at the installation ceremony for Custos Rotolorum of Clarendon Edith Chin on Thursday.
It is our efforts together through various local committees and initiatives that will make our parish more resilient and our residents thrive.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.